Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands channel, and today I would like you to show what kind of joining method I'm using when I need to join one yarn ball to another one. So for this I'm using two different colors. It will be better for you to see, and I'm going to show you three different ways of how to join two ends. The first method that I would like to share with you, it is a Russian joining method. You need to hook together the two yarns, uh, like interlocking them, and then thread one end of the yarn with a yarn needle. And then what you're going to do is burrowing the yarn needle into the center of the yarn, picking up all that plies. Push the yarn needle gently, and once you went through the center for about uh, 3 centimeters, pull the needle through the yarn like this. Now repeat for the second tail on the other side. Thread the needle with a yarn needle, okay, and now insert and push gently the needle into the center of the yarn. Repeating everything what you have done before. Gently, gently in the center. Now pull the yarn needle out. Pull the tail and spread like this. And now you can trim off the short ends of the yarn that are sticking out. And that's it. Like this. So I like this method. Uh, it, this method doesn't have knots, and it's really invisible. Yes, it takes a little bit of time, but it works. It works. So the second method that I would like to share with you will have a small knot, but at the end, if you are using a lightweight yarn, it will be almost invisible. For this, I take two pieces of yarn. So let me take two different colors, and I take the white one into the left hand and pink into the right hand. Now I place uh, pink strand over the white one, and then wrap the white strand around the pink one like this. Now I place pink one again over the white and wrap it around the white again. Now pull both tails like 4 ends like this, and now just cut those tails and you are done. Look, so it's tight, you can pull it and the knot is almost invisible, so you can continue knitting or crocheting as normal. And the join will be completely invisible in your finished project. So this is comparison uh, to the Russian joining method. That's how it looks. And the third method that I would like to share with you, let's take again 2 strands of yarn. And now place the yellow strand on the table and make a loop like this. Now insert the pink strand in that loop. Then pass the yarn tail from the left under the yarn tail from the right, and then through the yellow loop that you've done at the beginning. Now pull strongly from both yarn tails to secure a knot. Like this. Both. And now you can cut the yarn, the tail, as close as possible from the knot. One, two. That's it, and that's how it looks. Now let's compare all 3 strands. So Russian joining method and the second one. So as for me, I like the Russian the most, and the second method has kind of smaller, a less visible knot, and the third a little bit bigger, but still will be invisible in your finished knitting project. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful for you and you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with someone who would be interested in joining method, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!